A $500,000 home in 2026 looks normal, but behind that number hides a brutal truth. The bank says approved, the agent says congrats, but your bank account quietly screams. People talk about buying a house, but nobody explains the math that destroys lives. This is Alex. He makes $140,000 a year, successful, hardworking, and about to make a mistake. He thinks, I earn good money, I deserve a home. That's the moment the trap starts. Alex finds a $500,000 home. Not luxury, just normal. But normal can still be deadly. The bank approves him instantly. Approval is easy. Affordability, that's the hidden problem. He puts down 10%, $50,000. Years of saving, gone in one moment. Now the mortgage begins. $450,000 borrowed, and interest rates are not kind. His monthly mortgage payment? Around $3,200. That number alone is already scary. And that's just the start. The real cost is still hidden, waiting to strike. Property taxes hit next, about $600 a month. Suddenly, the house costs more than you imagined. Home insurance adds $200 more, and you don't even see it until it's due. Maintenance is the silent killer. $400 a month if nothing breaks, but it always breaks. Total housing cost now exceeds $4,400 every month, and it's not even the worst part. Alex's take-home pay is about $8,000 a month, so he's paying more than half his income. Over 55% of his income goes straight to the house. That's not living, that's surviving. This is called being house poor. You own a home, but it owns you. On paper, Alex is a homeowner. In reality, he's trapped inside a financial cage. Vacation? Canceled. Investing? Paused. Emergency fund? Drained. All for a roof. One medical bill, one job loss, one emergency, and everything collapses. And no one warns you about this because the system wants you in debt. Banks don't care if you're stressed. They only care if you can pay, for now. Real estate agents get paid when you buy, not when you survive. The system rewards debt, not financial freedom, and that's the truth. This is why even six-figure earners feel broke, because money disappears into the house. Lifestyle inflation eats raises faster than income grows. You think you're improving, but you're sinking. In 2000, homes cost 3 times income. Today, 6 to 8 times income. The math is brutal. The American dream didn't disappear, it just became unaffordable. Owning a home used to mean stability. Now it often means anxiety. So who can actually afford a $500,000 home? Someone earning $200K plus with low debt and a big down payment. Or someone with family money, inheritance, gifts, a financial safety net. Or someone willing to sacrifice everything else. That's the real cost. For everyone else, renting may actually be safer because flexibility is power. You can move, change jobs, or save faster. The smartest move isn't buying fast, it's buying right. Sometimes the smartest move is waiting for a better deal or a better life. Investing instead of impressing can build wealth faster than owning a big house. A house is shelter, not a trophy. Don't confuse status with stability. If your house owns you, you don't own a house. The real flex is peace of mind, not a bigger mortgage. And the real victory is freedom, the freedom to say no. Before buying, ask yourself one question. If I lose my income for 6 months, can I still survive? If the answer is no, the house is too expensive. Banks won't ask this. You must, because your life depends on it. Financial stress destroys health, relationships, and dreams. Don't ignore it. A cheaper home with peace is better than a big house with fear. The goal isn't ownership. The goal is freedom. In 2026, the math is brutal, and it's not getting easier. Ignoring it won't make it disappear, it only makes it worse. But understanding it gives you power. Knowledge is freedom. Real wealth is choices, not square footage. Not how big your house is, but how big your freedom is. If this video made you uncomfortable, good. Discomfort means you're learning. Comfort keeps people broke. It makes them accept the trap. Truth sets people free, and truth is what you're watching right now. Share this with someone planning to buy a house. It might save them years of stress, because time lost in debt can never be returned. The system won't change overnight. It's built to keep you buying. But your decisions can change your life, starting today. Question everything that pushes you into debt, even if it sounds normal. Especially when everyone else is doing it. Normal doesn't mean safe. Normal can still be dangerous. Don't follow the crowd. Expensive doesn't mean better. It only means more expensive. Your future deserves better math, not emotional decisions. Buy with your brain, not your ego. That's how winners think. Don't buy because society pressures you. Buy because it makes sense. Because freedom beats approval. Always. A $500,000 home isn't success, it's just a number. Being able to sleep at night, that's success. The math doesn't lie, people do. People will tell you what you want to hear, but the numbers never lie. Choose numbers over noise, facts over feelings, and freedom over appearances. Your life is not a show. This is the truth behind modern homeownership. Not pretty, but real. Not viral, not glamorous, just reality. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. So before you buy the house, make sure the house doesn't buy you.